What's the meaning of charmed circle? Charmed circle. Charmed circle.
Charmed circle. Charmed circle. A charmed circle refers to a group of people or entities that are highly regarded and have privileged access to certain advantages or benefits. The term is often used in a negative way to describe a closed-off and exclusive group, particularly in academic, social, or professional circles. Being part of a charmed circle can bring prestige and opportunities, but also creates barriers for those who are not included. It can lead to inequality and an insular mindset that stifles innovation and progress. Ultimately, a charmed circle can perpetuate the status quo and reinforce existing power structures.